Welcome to the launch of our incredible Mi QLED TV 4K 55. Why 55? Because it's a stunning 55-inch display cased in a beautiful, slim metallic frame. You also get a stunning screen-to-body ratio of 96% that maximizes all the screen to give you a clear, beautiful, uninterrupted visuals. A premium aluminum alloy lines the frame of this QLED TV and also sandblasted and engraved with laser precision text. This ensures that your TV looks supremely elegant and takes the sophistication of your home setup up by many notches. It also comes with a metallic stand to top off its premium appearance should you prefer to rest it on a table. It also comes with a carbon fiber texture at the back along your ports to ensure that the Mi QLED TV looks stunning whatever be your viewpoint. Next, let's talk about picture quality. Now, if you thought that it looked good, let me take you through what you're really here for. Yes, I'm talking about the magical display on the Mi QLED TV. This is a QLED TV. Now, this allows for better saturated colors and a wider color spectrum up to 100% NTSC color gamut. Well, the Mi QLED TV comes with a proprietary Vivid Picture Engine. This fine-tunes the panel to give you the picture quality that you absolutely need. Well, now that you know about the vibrancy of the colors on the QLED TV, what about clarity? We're very happy to tell you that the Mi QLED TV comes with a 4K panel. This means you get up to 4 times as many as pixels compared to a full HD TV. Our QLED TV comes with an ultra high definition viewing experience. This TV also comes with the support of all the popular HDR codecs that you might know, such as Dolby Vision, HDR10+, HDR10, and Hybrid Log Gamma. This QLED TV also comes with Reality Flow, which is something we introduced way back with the Mi TV 4X 65-inch. This premium tech gives you a smooth experience to help render blur-free visuals while watching your favorite sports or playing your favorite games on a PC or console. With this, you'll never miss another close run-out or a strike from a distance. Now, when talking about entertainment and cinema-like experience, one key aspect is, of course, the picture. But that only makes half the story. With great picture comes great responsibility for sound. This is the best speaker system that we have built so far. Our speaker system is twice as good when compared to a typical LED TV. Well, to be precise, we are 233% better. The speaker cavity found on this TV is 2.3 times more than the size of most systems out there. And this additional acoustic vacuum ensures you have a huge cavity of 1 liter. With such huge space for your speaker box, what you get is really a fuller sound output. We've got a 6-speaker setup, which consists of 4 full-range drivers and 2 dedicated tweeters, delivering a maximum output of 30 watts. The Mi QLED TV has the best-in-class frequency range. It can do as low as 60 Hz for those deep bass, and all the way up to 20 kHz for those high notes in an action-packed movie. It also supports Dolby Audio and DTS HD, making it a well-rounded audio experience. What all of this means is that you no longer have to worry about connecting any external speakers. Patchwall today is India's most comprehensive content platform on any smart TV. We have integrated over 20 plus content partners. And today, we are very happy to announce that we're adding 2 more content partners, Discovery Plus and Lionsgate, which will be coming very soon. The new Mi QLED TV is among the first TV in India to come with the latest Android TV 10 out of the box. Android TV 10 brings a lot of under-the-hood performance improvements, giving you a smoother, fluidic experience. And 2 of my favorite features, like the Google Assistant and Chromecast built-in, works like a charm. We understand that the TVs are a big investment for all of you out there, and it's meant to last for a longer time. That's why with all this latest tech, we've also added some sweetness to make it a truly future-proof TV. This TV comes with HDMI 2.1 compatible ports, and not just one, but all 3 ports to support some of the next-gen consoles out of the box. You also get eARC support, which gives you uncompressed, high-fidelity sound, which is great for 5.1 and 7.1 surround systems. This TV also comes with ALLM, which is auto low latency mode. This automatically switches the TV to game mode for a lag-free gaming experience with your favorite PC or gaming consoles. Talking about gaming, the Mi QLED TV has an extremely low input lag of just 5 milliseconds at 4K 60 frames per second. Finally, this TV ships with the latest MediaTek 64-bit quad-core A55 processor coupled with Mali G52 graphics, which is 6.8 times faster than the old generation Mali 450. On the connectivity front, we got Bluetooth 5.0, dual-band Wi-Fi, 2 GB of RAM, and an astounding 32 GB of storage. Yes, you heard that right. 32 GB of storage. Now we got this feedback from our Mi fans to have more storage built into the TV. And we have done this with our latest flagship QLED TV shipping with 32 GB of internal storage. Let's talk about Mi Remote. We have 3 new implementations: Mi Quick Mute, Mi Quick Settings, and the Mi Quick Wake. It comes with a QLED panel with 4K resolution, vivid picture engine, support for all the major HDR codecs out there, a superior 30-watt sound with 233% larger speaker capacity, the latest and the best patch wall yet, and one of the first TVs out there with new Android TV 10 out of the box. Future-ready technology like HDMI 2.0 compatibility, eARC, and a flagship quad-core chipset. And finally, an incredible 32 GB of internal storage.
T Plus content partners will be available at only rupees 54,999. You can buy the Mi QLED TV starting 21st of December at 12 PM across Mi.com, Flipkart, Mi Homes, Mi Studio, and soon